Welcome to this video on how to run a Python program. So in this video we will look at 4 ways to write and run a program, and we will see live demo of how to run program using IDLE and Python shell. These are the 4 ways to write and run Python program. Very first one is we can write and run program using Python IDEs like IDLE, PyCharm and Python, etc. Second is we can use Python shell to run a program. Third one is we can use notebook environments like Jupyter Notebook to write and run Python program. And fourth way is we can write Python program using Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime, Atom like Notepad text editors, and then we can execute our program using command prompt. So let us start with very first one, that is how to write and run program using Python IDE. We will see live demo, but now we will look at the overview of all the 4 ways. So this is the first one, that is a write and run program using Python IDLE, that is integrated development and learning environment. So this is how the interface of IDLE looks like. This is a main menu of IDLE IDE, and this is a lightweight integrated development environment of Python, and this is a Python shell. So whenever we have triple greater than sign, means it is a Python shell. Fine. And now we can open a new file for writing a program from this file menu, file new, and it will look like this. It will open a untitled file like this, and then we can write a program like this over here in this, and then we can save it, and then we can run the program using run or just by pressing F5. So output will look like this. We'll see live demo of this, but right now just this is the overview of how we can use a Python IDLE to write a program and run the program. Now next is how to write and run program using Python shell. So on command prompt just type a Python, and then the Python shell will look like this. We have already seen in previous case also using Python IDLE also we have Python shell, as well as we can open Python shell from command prompt also. We can have a Python shell by just by typing a Python command over here, and over here we can write any command now. So here we have written a print hello world command, and it will print the hello world string over here. So it is like this. So this is the second way of writing and running a program. We will see it little later on. This is a Jupyter Notebook environment. We have already seen how to install a Jupyter Notebook and brief introduction of Jupyter Notebook, but here just to consider the one of the way of writing and running a program. In first cell we have a hello world program, simplest program, and we can see that output is hello world. And here second cell we have assigned 4 and 6 to number 1 and number 2, then we are adding number 1 and number 2, and then we are printing the sum of the number 1 and number 2, and we can see the answer over here. So this is how, this is the third way. We will look at this Jupyter Notebook in detail little later on. And this is a fourth way where we have a notepad. Here we have a notepad, and we have written one line statement and saved this program with a name hello_world.py, and this is a command prompt. So just type Python space hello_world.py, and it will execute or run the program, and it will give output like this. This is a brief overview of how to run a program using 4 ways. We will see each of them in detail, but right now we will have a live demo of 2 things, that is IDLE and Python shell. First of all, just press a Windows key, then type IDLE, and you will see IDLE option over here. Just click on it, so it will open Python IDLE, and here the version of IDLE is 3.9.4. over here we can see, right? So this is a file menu. Here we can see that this is a Python shell, and here we can type any command. So now let us see how we can write a smallest program in Python shell and execute or run that program. So let us see, let us type a print command over here, print hello world double quote. Fine, and we can see that it prints this. Now let us write a program to add 2 numbers on Python shell itself, right? So we have already written one program like this in one of the PPT. Number 1 is equal to 4, number 2 is equal to 6, sum equals number 1 plus number 2, and then now let us print the sum, and we can see the answers. The sum of these two numbers is 10. So this is how we can use Python shell to write small programs. Now let us look at the second way of writing and executing a program using Python IDLE editor. So from here, file menu, open a new file. So it will open a untitled file like this. Now let me make it little smaller so it looks better. Fine. And here we can see this is a Python shell. So our output will be over here, and we will write program in this Python editor. This is a Python IDLE editor, and we will write command over here in this particular Python IDLE editor, and output will be displayed on Python shell. So now let us write print double quote hello world, right. So here we have written a smallest. Now very first thing, right now the file is untitled. So very first thing, we try to run by selecting this option run module. Then it will ask for saving the file. Okay, to save. So if we press OK, right, then it will ask for where to save the file. Fine. So we will select the drive, right, ID. In D drive we will save in this particular folder Py program. So at this location I want to save my file, that is a D drive AI24 Academy Py program. So here I will give the name of this file hello_world, right. As it is a Python file, it will automatically take .py extension. As here we can see save as type Python file. So we need not to specify py over here, it will automatically take, right. So here we can see that while saving right, it has executed the program and output is over here. I have opened the IDLE once again. Fine. Now let us write a second program using Python IDLE editor, and here let us first write a small program. Let us make the window a little smaller, and let us write the same program of adding two numbers. So first thing is, let us assign the numbers to the variable number 1 and number 2. Number 2 is 6, then sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2, and then print the sum. So this is the smallest program for adding two numbers. I am assigning 4 to number 1, 6 to number 2, and then adding two numbers and printing the sum using a print command. Fine. Print is a function in Python to print whatever specified over here. If we are specifying string over here, it will print the string, and if we specify some variable name, then it will print the value of this variable. And here number 1, number 2, sum, all three are the variables, and variable stores the value. We will see in detail what is a variable, but right now just you remember that number 1, number 2, right, are the symbolic names to store the values. So here this print function will print the value of sum. Now let us first save the program. So it is better to save the program, save, and it is asking for the location. So again I will save my program in D24 Py program. I have selected and I have given the name of the file as add numbers and save the number. So the program is saved, and now I can run just by selecting this option, or I can directly press F5 also. So now right now let me press F5. So it is running, and I press the F5 and it has given the output as 10. So this is how we can execute a Python program using Python IDLE editor. I am closing the editor. Again I want to open those files. So just open Python IDLE. From here file menu, just go to open and just select the file from the folder, and here say hello world. Open the file. So now we can see it is already saved. So here we have a hello world.py. So just run this file by selecting this option or press, so we can see the output over here. Next video we will see how to write and execute a Python program using Jupyter Notebook and command prompt. Thank you very much.